Hi guys. Well, come to you with another mukbang, but not just any mukbang. Actually, it's my own food this time. So I did my take um on a seafood boil broil. Yeah. Anyways, so I thought I would talk to you guys about the next mukbang challenge that we're gonna do. So it came in the mail today. But check this out. Check all this out. This huge bowl of my favorite secret sauce. And yes, there's spinach and full boiled eggs and shrimp and sausage and yum garlic. Lots and lots and lots and lots of garlic. Way too much for me to eat, obviously. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna dig in and cheers. Potato. That's what I forgot. Potato. So, yeah, on that note, we'll talk about the next challenge that came in the mail today. Well, this is still piping hot. Don't hate. I love spinach. Let's go with the shrimp first. Mm-hmm. We got lots of napkins. Forgot my water. But that's okay. This isn't going to be a long video. It's going to be a quick one. This is way too much food, and yeah. Anyways, and so I just wanted to tell you guys about the new challenge and show you what I can do, in the kitchen. It's so good. So I'm dipping it in the sauce right now. Instead of having the sauce on the side, I just poured it over the top. Mm-hmm. Double dipper, triple dipper. I promise I'll tell you the story in just a second. Sorry, I'm hovering this bowl like you hand them. Here, I'll even dip it for you. Have a bite. Good stuff, Maynard. One more. Mm-hmm. Very soon, when I can get my hands on some king crab, we'll do a king crab boil. Yeah, totally have to check that out. If only you guys had smell-o-vision. It's so good. So good. Try the sausage. Mm. Beer brats. Yum. Anyways, alright, so the next challenge is came in the mail. Well, part of it did. Still waiting on 2 more. But it's gonna be me, myself, my daughter, and I should say, and we're going to do the disgusting soda challenge. So I've ordered, I think it's 8 different kinds, different flavors of the most disgusting flavors of soda that you can think of. And one of them is like cream corn. and one's dirt, and oh my goodness, it just goes on. Well, you'll just have to watch the video and find out. So we're gonna do that. 6 out of 8 bottles came in the mail today, so super excited about that. That'll be awesome. That'll be an awesome challenge, I think. A disgusting soda challenge. Yeah, fun. I'm always down to try something new. Like, you guys need to try this. This is just too good. Dinner for one. It's so funny. I can hear my daughter upstairs playing. She wouldn't touch this food with a 10-foot pole. No way. Although, I do have to admit, she helped me cook it. My daughter's 13, if you guys haven't seen the stories or don't know me. She's 13 and she's autistic, and she's delayed. So, needless to say, she handed me things from the fridge and put the things back in the fridge, and that was pretty cool. That helped. That really did help. So, I'll absolutely take any bit of help that I can get. Especially her. I mean, so another thing is that my sister-in-law made a deal with my daughter. I don't believe in cell phones. I believe in having emergency backup things in place, but no, I don't believe in her having a cell phone. No. I see all the horror stories and everything that everybody else goes through. No, thank you. I didn't have a cell phone. We grew up without cell phones. It's not necessary. We didn't even have a pager till I was way older than her. So, it's not jumbo shrimp, but large shrimp. Perfectly cooked by me. Not chewy. Anyways, yeah, so Jada. Speaking of Jada, I started following this chick. Not chick, she's a lady. She's a really cool lady. And she's from Canada, and she was traveling in Guatemala, and I was, following somebody else's trail that's a single traveler too, and anyways, needless to say, I came across this lady's path and started following her adventures and stuff online, and I've been keeping in contact with her and, rooting her on, and just really been there for her. She's super cool. And, she's really cool to watch, especially for people like us that don't have lives, that don't get to get out and adventure much. But, so I love living her adventures with her, through her eyes. It's pretty cool. Anyways, so, needless to say, Jada started watching too, and Jada caught on, and Jada made a couple comments about her, and I told her that my daughter had said these things about her and to her. little bit about Jada. And out of nowhere, we just became friends. And we just became friends. We started talking. Next thing I know, not talking, we just started messaging, through Facebook or whatever. On her pictures or whatnot, videos and stuff. Anyways, and then one day, she sent a private message to me, to Jada and I. I about died. That was so cool. And I ran and I got Jada and I showed Jada the video and everything. And Jada was really, really, really scared because Jada has a hard time talking. She has a hard time using her words, not just that, but in general, just she's very shy and whatnot. So I was like, you got to send a video back. You got to do it. Like, it can't come from me. Like, this video was for her, and I wanted it to come from her. The thank you and whatever. And so Jada sent her a message video and said thank you for the message and whatnot. Next thing I know, we're messaging back and forth, videoing back and forth, and Jada basically was like a pen pal thing, but through Facebook. It's really cool. Anyways, Jada's favorite color is blue, and she went and got her hair done and had some blue tints put in her hair, some highlights, and that's really super cool. And she said it, that Jada was her inspiration, and it's really cool. Anyways, so one day she sends a message and she says she's sending a package for Jada, and she said there was something in that package that was for me too. But see, in Guatemala, the mail don't work that way. It's insane to try to ship anything to the United States or anywhere at that matter. So what she did was she gave the package to somebody that was coming back to the United States, and then that person was going to send it to us. Well, we got a message this morning from this lady. I'm not going to mention names. We got a message from her, and she was saying that she was apologizing because she just got a message back from this guy that had the package that he hadn't sent it yet, and that he was going to be sending it tomorrow, in a 2-day shipping, whatever what I'm trying to say. Anyways, and so Jada was kind enough, thank God, to send a message back to her saying, oh, hi, this is Jada, whatever, and it's okay, everybody makes mistakes, and it was so cute. She did such a great job. I didn't have to tell her what to say. She did it on her own. She used her words, and she said thank you. And that was really sweet of her. So anyways, that's cool. So we have a pen pal. So eventually she's going to get back to Canada, and I would love to get her address so that we could do the same. I don't know if she would allow us to, it's kind of, I don't know. We'll see. You never know. But I'm not trying to be a stalker. But just as much as I don't know her, she doesn't know me. So I could be a stalker. Who knows? Stalker with the recording of a kid, with a 13-year-old girl that's saying her name, this lady's name, to her, in places of my house that are usually the same. So they're real. Yep. I'm sucking my fingers. Finger looking good. Good stuff. All right. one more look. Anytime anybody wants to come over, you're more than invited. You're more than welcome. Anytime you guys need a recipe for anything. I used to be a chef for like my whole life, so yeah. Comment below. Like my video. Find me on Facebook. Find me on Facebook. My name is Crystal Boyer. Alright, guys. Enjoy your take on a broil. Seafood broil. I'm getting full, but I could eat a heck of a lot more. I love shrimp. Alright, guys. Bye for now. Until the next challenge. Hopefully, we'll get those 2 other sodas so we can do that challenge. That'd be awesome. So, until then, like somebody wise tells me all the time, make good choices. Ciao for now, and have a great day. Here's looking at you, kid. An egg to go.